Making a slicing list. Slicing list. To make a slice with list, you should specify the index of the first and last elements you need to work with. So this is sign of slice. You should use it to make a slicing list. Square brackets, first element, colon, last element. Let's see how. First go to brackets. Then create any list. For example, I want to make a list called operating systems or OS. Then I want to put elements such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS, separated by commas. After that, print this slice list by typing print the element name, OS, square brackets, put the first element that you need to start with. After the colon, put the last element that you need to stop in. Save the file and try that on terminal. Great, the sliced list printed well. Okay, now let's try to change a little bit in the sliced list and see the difference. If we did not put anything in the first element before the colon, Python will recognize that and will start from 0. See that on terminal right now. Okay, if I put from 0 to number 3, it will print from Mac to Linux. Cool. Now, I will try from 2 to 5. Good. As you can see here, it's printed the last 3 elements. So, if we try from 2 to number 3, it will print only Linux. Pretty good. Okay, now let's try to print 2 before the colon only. Great, it started from Linux. Also, it's possible to print that by using minus, and it will print from right to left. Pretty good, guys. This is just a practice for you to know how to use the slice list and print it out. Thanks for watching.